it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some Disney Mickey inspired snacks that you can make for your family or friends. When I started filming this video, Derek was actually upstairs doing some work and I didn't want to interrupt him, so I didn't have a chance to grab my tripod. So this is going to be more of like a vlog video, if that makes sense. So instead of me setting up my tripod and explaining to you really how I make them, I was just holding my camera and kind of filming as I cook this little snack. It's super simple, will only take you 5 to 10 minutes to make, and I think it's a really fun treat to bring some of that little Disney joy into your house this holiday season. So again, my name's Nicole. We would really love it if you subscribe to our channel down below. Definitely hit that bell button so you get notified every time we upload a new video, and feel free to leave us a comment. I would love to hear all of the snacks that you and your family like to eat on the weekends, especially if they're inspired by Disney World. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So to make this little treat, you're gonna need a large mixing bowl, fruity pebbles, marshmallows, and some butter. I'm going to start by counting out 20 marshmallows and putting them in my large mixing bowl. While I finish this task, I thought I would tell you that I'm also going to use a Mickey Mouse shaped cookie cutter for this little treat, but you can really use any cookie cutter you want that you have laying around the house. For the next step, you're going to take a tablespoon and a half of butter and place that in a separate microwave-safe bowl. Now it's time to melt the butter in your microwave. My microwave has a melt setting or a soften setting, so I put it on 50 seconds using this temperature, but make sure you just keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Once your butter is done in the microwave, if it's not 100% melted, you can always give it a little stir just to get any final pieces ready. The next step is just going to be taking your butter and pouring it over all of your marshmallows. You want to make sure they all get a really good coating of butter, so don't be afraid to stir it around and make sure they're fully covered. Now it's time to put the marshmallows that are covered in butter back in the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. You can always stop the microwave halfway through, stir up the mixture to make sure the marshmallows and butter are getting really well blended together, and then put it back in for the remainder of the time. While this mixture is in the microwave, it's a really good time to start greasing your baking pan. I took my marshmallows out of the microwave. As you can see, they're melted and it's thoroughly mixed with the butter. If it isn't, just go ahead and give it another stir. And now it's the fun time, which is adding the Fruity Pebbles. So for 20 marshmallows, I added about 3 cups of Fruity Pebbles. A lot of people make Rice Krispie treats, but I think using Fruity Pebbles is so much fun. It really adds some bright colors and gives you all those Disney vibes. Make sure everything's mixed together super well, and when you can see little marshmallow cobwebs forming, that's when you know you've added enough Fruity Pebbles. I use a greased little lunch bag to remove my Fruity Pebbles from the bowl and put them in their final baking pan. I spread out my Fruity Pebble treats in our baking pan and made them about 1 inch thick. You want to make sure you have enough room to use your cookie cutter to cut out fun shapes while still making sure the cookies are thick enough as well. I like to let my Rice Krispie treats harden overnight, so I just covered them and set them aside, and then here I am the next day cutting out my Mickey shapes. And here is the final little treat. Again, I think cutting them out to be little Mickey Mouses makes them so cute. Rice Krispie treats at Walt Disney World are one of their iconic treats, so I think this is a fun way to bring some Disney into your house and put your own little spin on it. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, it was a little bit different, more of a vlog style video than an actual how-to video. But I love Rice Krispie treats, I love Fruity Pebble treats, and when we traveled to Disney World, it's definitely one of our favorite snacks to get, and I feel like they're so popular across like the Disney World family. Rice Krispie treats are so easy to make at home. Adding a little bit of a Disney flair to them really doesn't take much more time at all. And I hope this brought your family a little bit of joy and a little bit of Disney into your day. Again, if you like videos like this, we'd really love it if you subscribe to our channel down below. We do a ton of Disney content and we'll be uploading a lot of videos throughout the holiday season. So again, that's it for today's video. I hope you and your family are having a great holiday season, and definitely stay tuned for our next video. Thanks, bye.